Have you ever thought about turning your daily tea into a powerful tool to boost your metabolism and burn fat naturally? Well, that's exactly what Teaburn promises to do. But does it really work? And more importantly, is it worth it? Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this supplement before you decide to buy it. So, what is Teaburn and does it really work? The short answer is yes, it does. Teaburn is an innovative powdered supplement designed to be mixed with your favorite tea. It contains a unique combination of natural ingredients that enhance both the speed and efficiency of your metabolism. This means that by taking Teaburn, your body starts burning calories more efficiently, helping you lose weight throughout the day. And the best part, it is completely tasteless and dissolves instantly in your tea without altering the flavor. But how exactly does Teaburn benefit your body? Well, aside from aiding in weight loss, it also provides a significant energy boost, reducing the fatigue that many people experience throughout the day. Another important benefit is its effect on appetite control. If you often feel the urge to snack all the time, Teaburn can help curb those cravings, making your weight loss journey easier and more sustainable. Additionally, it contains a nutritional complex designed to strengthen your immune system, and on top of that, helps give you a whiter, brighter smile by neutralizing the substances in tea that typically stain your teeth over time. And if you're wondering, is Teaburn safe? The answer is yes. It is made with 100% natural ingredients, free from harmful additives, gluten-free, non-GMO, and contains no artificial stimulants. Plus, it is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-approved facility that follows strict quality standards. This means you can use it with confidence. Now, if you're interested and want to try Teaburn, the manufacturer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means that if, for any reason, you're not satisfied, you can return it, even if you've used all the servings, and get a full refund, no questions asked. This is a great advantage because it eliminates any financial risk. For the best results, it's recommended to use Teaburn daily by adding 1 sachet to your tea in the morning. And since its effects are continuous, the longer you use it, the better the benefits. That's why the manufacturer suggests taking it for at least 90 to 180 days to maximize results. Now, an important warning, Teaburn is sold exclusively on the official website. So if you find this product on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or physical stores, there's a high chance it's a counterfeit. To avoid problems and ensure you're getting the real product, I'll leave the official website link in the description and pinned comment. So if you want to boost fat burning, reduce appetite, and increase your energy throughout the day, Teaburn might be exactly what you need. Be sure to check the official website to get the best price and see the current promotions. Now tell me, have you heard about Teaburn before? Do you have any questions about the product? Leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on supplements and health products. See you in the next video.